everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is a cookbook kitchen, the home of cookbook recipes with me, Carol. Karibu sana. Welcome back. Today we have a very interesting video. We are going to make double chocolate muffins, guys. We are still on this book, the Bake to Perfection. This is the book that you're going to cook with, Bake to Perfection. So we will try and make double chocolate muffins. There's a picture. Let me show you. This is what we'll try and make. Yes, like that. So let's see if they will come out nicely. And so guys, come. Let's do this video. Today I have a couple of things. As you can see, I have some dark chocolate, some unsalted butter. I have some gluten-free flour blend. If you're interested in which type I use, I'm using the DIY 2 in the book. I have some almond flour. I have some sweetener. I'm using monk fruit sweetener. The book uses custard sugar, but I'm using monk fruit sweetener. I have some dark chocolate chips. I have some dashed cocoa powder, some milk, some plain yogurt. I have salt, baking soda, baking powder, and lastly some xanthan gum. So this is what you're going to use to make our double chocolate muffins. So the first thing we're going to do, we are going to melt our dark chocolate and our butter in this bowl. There's some simmering water down there. If I didn't mention, the butter is unsalted, but everything you will see in the book. As you can see, guys, so we are going to let this one sit here until it melts completely. As our chocolate and our butter are melting, the next thing we need to do, we are going to sift our gluten-free flour blend. Here it is. Our almond flour, our cocoa powder. Let's sift this one first, then we add the others. Now we'll put our baking powder, baking soda, xanthan gum, our salt. Then we put the sugar. Then here is our monk fruit sweetener. We put this aside and we go to the next step. I forgot to mention that we're going to use eggs, so I have some eggs over here. I'm going to whisk the eggs with the yogurt and the milk. Here's my milk and my yogurt. You can use plain yogurt or Greek yogurt. That's what the book says. But as always, check the quantities of everything in the book. And for the DIY flour blend, you can choose the one you prefer. So I just choose the second blend. So it's up to you. You don't have to use the DIY too. This is our chocolate and the salted butter mixture. So we need to let it cool down for a while until warm. Once the chocolate and the unsalted butter mixture has cooled down for a while, now we are going to mix everything together. This is the dried ingredients. This is the egg, yogurt and milk mixture, and these are our dark chocolate chips. We are going to use some, and we are going to reserve some to sprinkle on top of our muffins. So let's do this. I think this bowl is bigger than this, so I'm going to put everything over here. Slowly but surely. Look at that, guys. So we are going to use some of the chocolate chips. And we have some for sprinkling on top. Yes. So we are going to use a 12-hole muffin tin, and I've already put my liners. So we need to pour everything. So I need to pour the mixture in these liners equally. Yes, the book says we use a 12-hole, so I believe this is going to fit very nicely and equally. Here's our mixture. Here's our mixture. And here is our muffin tin, muffin tin, muffin tin. Yeah. We're going to fill it how? To the brim. We're going to fill it to the brim. So let's go, let's go, let's go, 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 go. Yeah. Guys, this is my 12-hole and I have some left over here. So I'm going to use another muffin tin. So maybe around 2 or 3. Let's try 3 first. Yeah, 2. I've been able to finish my mixture with 2. So we sprinkle our chocolate chips on top. Our double chocolate muffins are ready. They have been out for a while. They have cooled down. They are ready to bite in. And yo, look at that. Look at that. It looks so nice. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Whoa, look at that. Yeah. So time to taste. We see what we have baked. This is the first time I've made this recipe, so I'm just waiting to taste and see how they taste. Wow. I baked mine for around 22 minutes. Yes, mine was around 22 minutes. So they are ready. They are cool. Yes. Let's taste our muffin. We see it with your name. Let me open it with you guys. So here it is, and then yo, look at the inside. Look at that. So, time to test. Let me finish this one. Then I'll talk to you. I'll talk to you. So guys, these double chocolate muffins are nice. They are moist. and they have an intense chocolate flavor. Remember, we used dark chocolate, and we also used some cocoa powder, which is Dutch cocoa powder. So as much as there was a sweetener, I use monk fruit sweetener. The book uses castor sugar. As you bite in, you feel like the sweetness, but all of a sudden, the intenseness of chocolate just melts in your mouth. Whoa! At first, I was like, that's a lot of sugar, because I'm not a sweet tooth. So I was like, that's a lot of sugar. But the minute I continue to bite, the chocolate flavor is just intense. Oh. And inside, they are so moist. Look at that. They are moist. Look. Yo. So guys, this was good. It's not complicated. It's just a simple recipe. Sometimes you have books that have really complicated recipes. This is just a simple recipe. 20 to 22 minutes. Your muffins are ready. They cool down, and you are done. You have this. Whoa, they just look nice. But I'm wondering what happened to my chocolate chips, whatever. My chocolate chips, they're just shiny. Yo, that's it for today. Don't forget, we were using the Baked to Perfection. Our double chocolate muffins are baked to perfection. Look at that, they look nice. So as always, all the quantities for the ingredients are in the book. Go check them out and try out the recipe, guys, and let me know in the comment section what you think about it. Did you love it? Did you feel like it was a complicated recipe, or it was an easy recipe? And secondly, something else I would like to know in the comment section, which flour blend do you use? Do you use the DIY blend 1 or the DIY blend 2? That's it for today. So don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. Bye bye, and God bless. Back to perfection.